JCI India 10 Outstanding Young Indians Awards Ceremony 2010.
Santosh George Kulangara. Our next honoree is widely and popularly known for his various roles as entrepreneur, organizer, media personality, world traveler, and creative explorer. Born in 1971, Santosh George Kulangara started his career as a media professional in the year 1992 by producing the telefilm Samayam. At the age of 25, he took charge of Labour India Publications, a firm that had been set up in 1983 by his father, Sri George Kulangara. Currently, Labour India brings out 36 different educational magazines meant for Kerala, CBSE, and Tamil Nadu matriculation syllabuses. Each year, more than 30 lakh students rely on Labour India for improving their studies. Labour India, now an ISO 9001-2000 certified company, is the largest educational journals publishing house in India, with 400 employees in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, 200 wholesale dealers, 250 editorial contributors, subscribers from all over India as well as from the Gulf countries. The Labour India Educational Research Centre, the dream project of Santosh George, which was inaugurated by the Honourable former President of India, Dr. K.R. Narayanan, develops comprehensive educational tools which include journals, interactive CDs, study kits, online educational service, career guidance, personality development programs, environment awareness programs, etc. Another such novel program named Labour India Rural Employment Program is now functioning all over the state of Kerala, providing employment opportunities to around 3,000 educated youngsters. These youngsters are on a mission to disseminate the unique educational methodologies developed by Labour India Educational Research Centre to every corner of the country. Sancharam Club is another initiative of this visionary entrepreneur. This travel club, the first of its kind in the country, is meant exclusively for children. As a creative explorer, Santosh George has always had the urge to indulge in adventurous escapades. He has been contemplating to accomplish things that others never ventured into. Thus, despite his busy schedule as an entrepreneur, he thought of traversing the globe and depicting the magnificent things around the world for the benefit of the common people. There are many travelogues. Very many teleserials are being telecasted on exotic locations in various channels. But a lone traveler preambulating around the globe and videoing the scenic beauty, historical remnants, and other exotic features in different countries, making them into a television serial, and finally having them telecast every week continually for the last 9 years without a single break through Asianet news channel sounds incredible. Santosh George has filmed 69 countries spreading over the Asian, African, Australian, American, and European continents. The solo adventurers of this globe-trotting TV journalist have won the hearts of both critics as well as lay people. The Limca Book of Records has included this unique and rarest adventure of Santosh George in its pages. He has already been conferred with over 10 prestigious honours, including the Asian Television Award, the Film Critics Award, and several national awards. It is his unquenchable enthusiasm for taking up Herculean tasks that prompted Santosh George to become the first space tourist from India. When Virgin Galactic Company announced its space tourism program in the private sector, he was the first Indian in India to have his name confirmed for the Space Odyssey. He is the first resident Indian to buy a $200,000 ticket for the suborbital ride with the British entrepreneur Sir Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic space liner. He has written popular books too, related to his travel experiences. On the personal front, Santosh is married to Sonsi and has 2 children, Sarika and George. JCI India takes pleasure in honouring this nominee of JCI Marangattu Pilli Labour India from Zone 22 in the category of Business, Economic or Entrepreneurship Accomplishment. Santosh George Kulangara.
JCI India 10 Outstanding Young Indians Awards Ceremony 2010.